So just under 2 weeks ago, Apple announced their brand new line of laptops, including the brand new MacBook Air, coming in at 13 inches and also containing, for the first ever time, Apple's very own silicon, which is the M1 chip. Up until now, Apple has only used Intel processors in their laptop range, so it's very exciting to see how the new chip is going to perform. Now, I will be doing a review on my channel a little bit later on this particular MacBook Air. So if you are interested, click in the little card up in the top right-hand corner. And a little bit after that, I'll be doing some benchmarking to see how the M1 chip performs compared to other processors and laptops on the market, including previous MacBooks. So without further ado, we will get this bad boy out of the packaging. Now, as you would have seen in the B-roll I included before, Apple usually does quite a good job with its packaging. So you can see here it's got like a little quick release kind of thing. So we'll pull that off. Pull all this plastic off. And I think we can just take this top part off. Get in there. There we go. So as you can see, I got the space gray version and it looks pretty much exactly the same as the previous versions, including the MacBook Pro. Not a huge surprise because Apple has stuck with almost the exact same chassis. I don't think there's actually any changes to the exterior. So look at this little pull tab. I'll take that out. So first impressions of the actual laptop is that it's almost exactly the same dimensions and weight as the MacBook Pro. I'm really not feeling much of a weight difference. And the size as well, you can see on the sides there if it will focus. It does thin out a bit towards the end, but it's really not a huge difference from the MacBook Pro, which is surprising. So we'll put this to the side for 1 sec and we'll see what we have inside the box. So we have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which is pretty standard on MacBooks these days. We've also got a little instruction manual with probably some stickers inside. There they are. Oh, they're actually silver this time. That's pretty cool. Usually they're white. And wow, that is tiny. Okay, this is actually a lot smaller than the typical brick you would get with the MacBook Pro. I've actually got a MacBook Pro charger here, and you can immediately see the size difference. It's almost half the size, almost half the weight as well. That's tiny. And you can see this does, if I take the packaging off, the head of this does come off as well, just like the MacBook Pro, and I assume the Air charger previously. Apart from that, I don't think there's anything else in this box. No. So we'll go back to the MacBook Air and we'll take it out of the packaging. Oop, it's actually started up straight away. So this has the Touch ID sensor, I believe, as well on the keyboard. And the keys actually feel very good as well. They're not quite those old butterfly ones that everyone hated from the 2017 models. So that's good. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Just a short one just to see what the unboxing experience is like. Again, a review and also some benchmarks will be coming out soon. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.